our cinnamon Dolce Martini that I thought would pair well. But you gotta pair it again. How is it?
Hi, welcome to Mama Debz Kitchen.
Hi.
I have Tori with me again. We are doing holiday cocktail and cookie or dessert.
Cookies and cocktails.
Cookies and cocktail combos for the holiday. We're giving you ideas for the holidays. So Tori's going to go first and tell them what you're making.
Okay, so I'm going to show you the gingerbread cookies that I make every year. So first with ingredients, we have a cup of butter, right? Yeah, 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg. We're going to do 1 cup of molasses. I like to use this one. And then 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. She's pouring out the 5 cups of flour. It does make a lot of cookies, but it's fun because we could share them. And then we're going to do 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then for our spices we have 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of ground cloves. All these guys. All right, so first we want to mix together the butter and the sugar until it's kind of nice and fluffy. Oh my god, that's so fast. Okay, now that it's nice and fluffy, we're gonna add the molasses, the vinegar, and an egg. And then we'll combine that all together. Oh, shit.
It's going to go inside there.
Yeah. Damn it.
Is that part of the recipe?
No, you don't. We'll get that out. All right. The 2 teaspoons of vinegar and then the cup of molasses.
Oh, Jesus. Look at me talking shit.
This is messy. This is reminding me when I was in school and when we do tests and they would like have a GoPro over my shoulder and it was like really anxious and I hated it. That's what you're reminding me of.
That's why you're dropping shit.
Huh? Yeah. Yeah, because I'm nervous. Okay, now that is all mixed together, we're gonna do all the flour. Oh my goodness.
Every time.
Yeah, my bad.
I gave you a spoon.
I thought she was like purposely refusing the spoon.
Apparently she was, but that is an awkward thing. You got it.
Okay, baking soda and salt, and the spices as well.
Is this extra?
Yeah, it's extra.
Okay. I'm going to do this so it doesn't fly out at you.
Yeah, we'll start it slow. I think that's a lot of flour. Okay, you don't want to mix it too much.
Why not? Expertise.
I'm not a scientist. I just do what I'm told
Oh,
By who?
by the recipe.
does that look good to you, Bill?
Okay, well, it's not like done yet.
I know. He's a picky bitch, though, too.
You have to like make like combine it together, and then put it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to an hour. What's really cool is that like you could like make this days in advance. So like if you're like really busy with like Christmas parties, holiday parties, and you want to bring cookies, you can make this up. You can store it in the fridge up to 2 to 3 days, and then the day of, you can pop them in the oven. I like to divide them into 2 different ones, and then wrap them in plastic, and then put them in the fridge. So that's what I'm gonna do. I just need to make some room. Ugh. You have to record this part?
No. Not at all.
I'm just kidding.
You think,
Just feel a little bit nervous right now.
you think somebody would sign off?
Huh?
When we come back, she will be making her martini that she's pairing with this. And then after the cookies are in the fridge long enough, we'll do the cookies. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, well, I'm good. I was going to say, that's kind of getting old, huh?
Yeah, it's not funny anymore.
Yeah, it's really not. Stupid. Okay, we're back. She is going to make...
That was funnier.
That was way funnier.
I wish you guys could see this.
I know. Fucking dork. She is now going to make a Dolce Cinnamon Martini. So you can... Dolce and Gabbana. Fendi and Madonna.
Still
Okay.
don't know.
So there's your little ingredients.
Okay, so I already kind of poured everything in here. What you want to do is 2 shots of vodka. Whoa. 1 shot of Kahlua. 1 shot of Irish cream, and then like half a shot of, we got some cinnamon dolce to sweeten it up. Skinny.
How much did you drink before you did this? Well, all right then.
So I have my little, oh what?
What did you rim your glass with?
Oh yeah. Cinnamon sugar on top.
Give it a rim job.
Okay, so there's already ice in my shaker. I'm just gonna pour everything in there so we can shake it up nice, so it's all mixed together. I don't know the proper way to shake this. I'm clearly not a bartender and everything is spilling. We'll clean it up later.
Like 7 shakes or so.
And voila!
That looks pretty.
And there's some more. Maybe we should run another one.
Dan, do you want to be our taster? Not on the martini? What did you say?
Yes.
Oh.
You mentioned alcohol and he said yes.
Yeah. He stubbed his toe. He was running for the martini.
Uh-oh.
You get like 1.5.
Well, we'll do this one for show. This one.
That one can be for when we do the cookies. You guys can drink that one right now.
Save 1 for the cookies and save 1 for now.
So trying that one.
Yeah.
No, try this one.
No, save
Oh.
that one for the cookie, don't you think?
Okay.
Aren't you going to put a cookie on top of it or something? Okay, you got to tell us what you taste.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty strong,
Like
Lot of
alcohol
vodka.
strong?
but it's good. Is that Kahlua?
Yep.
See it.
Yeah.
But it is good.
What else do you taste in there?
It tastes like a
What nationality are you half of?
Irish.
So what else?
Brandy,
No.
Baileys.
Yes.
That's what I was gonna say.
Took him a minute.
There's something
Well, it is
creamy in
pretty
there.
strong.
Irish cream,
But it's good though, huh?
cinnamon dolce. Dolce. We taste it.
Strong but good.
Like my
Did I need
son.
to shake it more?
I would get some cinnamon on the rim.
Oh, it's quite tasty.
That's fine.
It's not strong to me. Am I an alcoholic, Tori?
No.
Okay, when we come back, her cookies will be ready and we'll present both together. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Next week, I'm going to be doing cranberry, white chocolate macadamia nut cookies with a cranberry martini. So these are holiday things that we're getting you prepared for. Tune in, share with your friends, subscribe. Okay, we're good.
Hello, we're back. Okay, wait,
we
hold
back
on, I'm
to?
not ready. Hold on.
All right, you ready?
Okay, now we're ready. So last time I left you guys with the gingerbread cookies, I had you guys split them into two and wrap them in plastic to refrigerate for about 30 minutes to an hour. Working with one of the halves, I want to roll it so it's like about a half an inch thick. The thinner your cookies are, the more crispy they'll be. And I like mine a little bit chewy, so. All right, and then now that it's about half an inch thick, you can use your little cookie cutter and create your fun little shapes. These are a little bit squished together. You do want a little bit of room so when they bake, they have room to spread out.
They don't touch.
They don't spread too much, but they do a little bit. Okay, and then you just keep on rolling and cutting until you are out of all your dough. And then with the oven at 350 degrees, you want to put these in the oven for 9 to 11 minutes. The more you bake them and the thinner it is, the crispier will be. So I put them in the oven now.
You could just say,
Huh?
close out. Don't forget to.
Wait, are we coming back to like taste them now?
Yeah.
Or do I say that?
Yeah.
Okay, so in about 9 to 11 minutes, we'll come back so you guys can see the taste test. Okay, so the cookies are out the oven and they look so cute. Our little gingerbread men, they're so cute.
You
So
didn't
now we
decorate
have Danny here. He's gonna do the taste. Mhm. You like it? Really?
them. Pair
You
it with
need-
the martini.
So this is our cinnamon Dolce Martini that
Well,
I
try
thought
this.
would pair well. But you gotta pair it together.
With the
How
cookie.
is it?
Still very good, pairs very well.
Really? You promise? Well, there you go. So make these for Christmas or for whatever because they're very good. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tune in next week because Debbie's gonna make white chocolate cranberry macadamia cookies and cranberry